Hello, hello, what's up? Ugh. What's everyone doing? Windows, that's just a picture. I never used Linux with a Windows theme. I actually had Windows set up with the theme. I followed some tutorials, but it is very annoying to get set up, and it was causing some issues, so I had to undo it all. Hello, yes, this is real. All right. So currently just been messing with the little side project thing, which is endoparasitic. So what I've been doing right now is just having fun messing around. I'm trying to see how the shadows, I'm making so shadows kind of it takes a second for them to decay when you go to a new place. But one thing, that's just kind of what I was messing with this morning a little bit in between some stuff. But I don't like how right now they're following the camera. I want to change that so they're not like that. And that's what I'm going to do. So I need to make them follow the actual player position kind of thing. So let's do that. I also want to hide that because it's kind of annoying me, the sound. So let's see, it's kind of where I'm doing this. So this has following enabled, right? Yeah, that's correct. Now this. Wait, what? Interesting. Oh, right, yeah, okay. So anyways, that's not, yeah, that's fine. All right, so this, I'm setting its position, but I don't want to do that. Instead, what I'm going to do is we will do, I'm gonna have a node. Let's do shadow sprites. This will contain all the nodes that are in the shadows. What's everyone been working on? How are you all doing? And then I'm gonna have, I think I want to have a couple of references. Bound. left, bottom right. Okay, so put you up there. Let's do it like that, and like, yeah, like that. And I'm gonna get, let's see, we're gonna do ready bar shadow. And I guess I need a reference to that actual area. Alright, so this is going to get its position set to the screen center. Alright, make that lock onto the screen center. And then for the actual view size, instead of this, we're going to do convert 2 points to a rect. So I guess I'll say top left, let's see, left is a negative position, is a positive position. Why is this such a high? Interesting. Why is it doubled? Oh, maybe because of the camera scaling. Yeah, because I have this scaled. Okay. So we're gonna get the top left. For 2, we're gonna do for y, or top left dot x. No. Bottom right dot x minus top left dot x. That'll give me the entire size. That's correct. Yeah, okay. And then for the y, I was mix up the value. Okay, so that's negative, that's positive, so the same thing. Oh, so I can just do bottom right minus top left. Nice. Oops, minus, not equals. What's up, BB? Okay, so we have the view size. That can be 5/2 offset for that. We're gonna have the shadow sprites get added to this. And then, wait, call this shadow sprite base. And then we'll have an array. And I can add them all to this. There we go. Okay, so we have the size, we get the array. This will give me, don't need to multiply that by 2, I'm pretty sure. This will give me everything in that area. Set the shadow area, yeah. Maybe I should call it shadow bounds. That will be a better wording for it. Okay, so we have that locked to the center of the screen. Then for every one of these, we're not going to do that for shadow sprite. Alright, top left position equals that. Alright, let's set the global position to equal that times that plus top left dot global position. What do you mean? That? Oh, right. Okay, let's see. This should just give me a good static. Wait, where is this? Oh. There we are. Why is it still following the screen? What? Why is it following the screen? Oh, because I'm setting on, yeah, I'm setting it there too. I don't want that. Okay, so lighting base, we got the target. Let's see. Oh, it seems to be bugged on that side though. It is working on this side. And it does look way cooler. Yeah, that light is. What's the other one doing there? It's like another one there, that's weird. Ow. So it goes through all of these. Oh, hold on a sec, I gotta take this call. All right, back. All right, so I gotta figure out why is it only, it's supposed to be drawing a raycast on the whole screen, but these ones to the right are not getting drawn, or not raycasting from for some reason. I wonder if it has something to do with the fact I'm skipping some. Oh, yeah, it was, okay. I was trying to be smart and do like a clever hack. Let's just do that. Or like queuing, doing like a queue thing. I don't need to do that right now. Okay, so that looks cool, the way it dissolves like that. Actually, it'd be nice if there was a little like random offset maybe. Instead of doing it as a grid, I wonder. I'm sure I should check the distance from the player, but okay. So what I want to do is if what am I doing? If we go past a position we need to get, yeah, we need to check. We need to like wrap it around. So let's see. All right, we'll need to track the count. So let's get the top left position, var top left. And bottom right. There we go. Okay, so we have that. Now we need to see if the y is greater than the bottom right, then we need to subtract. Yeah, okay, so we're gonna need a count. Oh, let's see, var y count, var x count. Equals at what's up, Blue? I'm messing around with endoparasitic a bit. I've been working on a overcomplicated shadow system because I'm tired of people comparing it to Ape Out. Let's see. Okay, so we got the count. I'll just show you. Here it is. So when you go in, it has these like shadow sprites that like decay after a second, right? And right now I'm trying to make the actual sprite like overlap because it's only in like a square. Or I'm trying to make it wrap based on as you move out of the area. It should wrap the nodes around. Change the size to feel like, and let's change the speed. Let's go like half speed. Okay, so all right, so let's see if the, let's get the position. So we need to check, oops, if start position dot y is greater than bottom right dot y, then position dot y minus equals y count times shadow object size. Do I not like the ape? I don't know. I get annoyed when people just unanimously compare my game to something else. I'm like, okay, I need to change it so it becomes original. Oh, I need some way to check if it's off screen too. Yeah, all right, I'll do that in a second. Let's see, if the y is less than top left, that means you need to add that, and then we do the same for the x. So there. All right, so if the start position, if the x is greater than the bottom right, then we subtract, and if it's less, okay, cool. That should be good. Oh, what is that? Ah, interesting, it goes back to the green once I go, whoops. I don't know why it's over there. Oh, right, when I reset it, I should, oh yeah, when I reset it, that'll be fine. All right, we're just gonna check. We need the next bounds. So that is top left, visible, visible. There. Sure was like some easy way to do this. That was not, didn't require that. What's up, Kevin? Do you have any new mechanics? Yeah, new guns, new puzzles, lots of stuff. So many things. I did a little combination puzzle I was working on. It's gonna be simple. You just, or combination lock, like you just have to flip the numbers until you see one that's like kind of faded and plays a different click. Just something like really simple I can throw around like that. That'll be randomly generated that you can use to like get ammo lockers open. Just to add a little extra gameplay to it. Okay, we need a reference to the top right visible. Okay, so all right, so now I check yeah, here we are. I guess I should redo that. Update its position. You know, I could just do this, actually. Oops. I don't have to write it out so many times, so we do this. And I just check if it's in the visible bounds. There's probably like some way I could use some built-in stuff to do this quicker, but whatever. This is readable, so I don't care. All right, so if the position is less than, or if it's greater than, oh, I could just do or. Yeah, I could do this as an or. I think this is how you do it. I can't remember. You do like a forward slash or something, right? Yeah, that's what it is. Okay, so if the is greater than, so we see if we're left of the visible, right of the visible, any of those, and then we do this. If it's any of those, so it's not, let me say that it's not in light, and then we continue. Nice. Okay, that's cool. Look at that. Look at that. Now you're just like completely surrounded by shadow. Oh, I should put a little randomness on the scale and on the position next. Doesn't always seem to line up right with the edge, but that's fine. Yeah, this looks pretty cool. Look at that. Makes it feel more like claustrophobic, I think. I probably could disable the cutout light. I wonder if that would be interesting. Just like completely roll my own shadow system. Let's see, should I do that? Does that guy need a hand? Probably. All right, let's try setting the, let's see if I make it have a random. All right, so let's make your, let's see, rand offset equals, let's say 10 pixels, scale, let's say 0.2. Random range of sprite plus equals vector 2 dot right rotated by random range 0 to pi. I think no 0 to tau. That's 2 times pi, and then multiply by 0 to random offset. That should give a random position in a random direction. Oh yeah, that looks much better. Look at that. Now I'm wondering, should I just entirely remove the other shadow thing? So like if I take off that light, wait, oh, it won't work because it won't entirely cover it. It's interesting that why would that make it lose the, weird. Continuing this game, yeah. I'll probably get back to Raw Flesh today, but yeah, I think this looks fine. I like the way Out of the World just kind of like the darkness dissolves as you approach. I wonder if I should do it in a circular way instead of a square way. I don't know. Square kind of, I mean, it fits the world better. Yeah, I think that's good. We'll leave it at that. Top left visible. Let's move you in a bit. Yeah. I want the darkness to feel like oppressive. Like it's just this clinging. It's like clinging onto the environment. I like that feel. Kind of exposing your surroundings as you move. It's cool. Yeah, the performance isn't the best though because I'm doing like 1,000 raycasts every frame. I could just put this on a separate thread, and that should take care of it. And this should be very easy to multi-thread. I'm pretty sure that what is it? If you put a raycast on a separate thread, it won't run on the main thread, right? I don't understand that. It's weird. Yeah, that looks pretty cool. Dang, this is like satisfying. Look at that. Damn. Alright, I need to make so if they're within a certain range. Just wanted to hop on quick to say your tutorials are super helpful. Oh, glad to hear it, Nova. You're watching, realize you've been making mesh libraries all wrong. It's confusing. All the stuff for doing that mesh library. I'm glad they improved tile sets. You don't have to make them on a separate, by like making individual like actual tiles anymore. Wait, where did my tile? I think that was it. Yeah. Yeah, they improved 2D tile sets a lot, but everything else is, the 3D ones are still so awkward to work with. Wait, why can't I see? Oh, I see. Okay. Add some kind of lighting to make things dim or some other effects. Yeah, I could do it. I mean, I have a vignette already on here. I could just darken it. Let's see. I want to make things like dimmer as you get closer to. Oh, is it not? No, it is receiving the lighting. That's so weird how it changes the color. Yeah, I had to use to get this like shadow effect with the like blurring and the, or not blurring, distortion kind of on the edges and the little ripples in there, I had to basically chroma key in the green color, but it fucks up in some spots. But it's nice because then these circles I just make in that same green, and it will automatically apply shadow like visuals to it. All right, let's make it not render any that are in set range. Okay, so we have all the position stuff being checked. Well, let's see if we should just check if start position, whatever, that's fine. I need to get the, where are we recasting from? Lighting base. Okay, so lighting base. Dot distance. Wait. Dot. Alright, let's say start position dot distance squared to lighting base. It's less than, let's say 100 times. Let's see. Wait, we could do. Minimum range to play or something. Player radius. Say 100. I don't know what else to call this. We're going to say this. What? Oh. Global position, right? Oh, I meant true, not false. There. That should fix it so I don't get that weird issue anymore. Yeah. Yeah, that looks cool. Let's maybe mess with these values some more. Let's see. 5. I want to see how much. I did see Joe's channel played it. It's cool. Oh, okay, so if I. Whoa, what? Oh, I did put one right behind me then. Alright, I need to make the area wider then. Okay, let's say, I don't want to make it smaller then. Let's do start scale 2. Let's put that at 0 then. Make that bigger. Do a little more offset. Yeah, I did this for a game jam. It was for Ludum Dare 48. And a lot of people really liked it, so I was like, alright, I should keep working on it. And now I'm working on this completely unnecessary lighting system, but it looks cool. Yeah, I'm really happy with how this lighting effect looks. Damn. This is cool. Yeah, the parallax is awesome. I like that. It has a nice feel to it. It's like a cool, like little sci-fi setting. Okay, so that needs to be like, where are we? There. The clear radius, let's set it to be 200. Oh, that might be too far. Let's see. Okay, yeah. Seems like it's there. Which, let's change it to 150. just don't want to get that weird spot like up here right next to you for some reason. Okay, yeah, it is still showing up there. That's fine though, I think. Problem with starting endless side projects is that you never learn how to finish a game. Oh yeah, I finished a lot of projects. I mean, this is going to be my next game. Like, as soon as I'm done with Rot Flesh, which I should be done with soon, hopefully. I should probably get to work on that now that I got this working. Some kind of android? No, it's just one tough person who got all his arms ripped off, or all his limbs. Fog, it's not 1 quadrillion, it's like, I think like 1,000. It's just a row, and they just, when you go off screen, it just tiles them around, basically. Or what's the word? Modulus. Moduluses them around or something. Yeah, that's cool. I wonder if I should make the camera follow you faster, because I feel like it doesn't. I feel like it's too easy to have it, what's the word? Go farther off screen. Or like, you get too close to the edge of the screen, you can't see very far. Drag margin. Let's change this to 0.1. Whoops. It doesn't like feel as good, but you have better like vision, I think. What do you all think? Comparing the camera to how it was before. Maybe I should make it go a little slower. You should add the sounds of the gun. Oh, that's a good idea. I'll have to get some equipment clacks when you have more. Yeah. All right, so let me slow down the camera a bit, and then let me check this shader I wrote. So this here, a vignette, I want to make it darken it more. So it's, what is it doing here? Color, texture, it just samples the texture, sets the RGB to be the first, and then subtracts. Oh, that's like, wait, that's not even doing anything. Oh, the A is that. Oh, I see. It's just making it transparent. Okay. What if I sampled the screen texture? We do texture, and I was like, we sampled that, and then we said like, so I said this. I said. Multiply by okay, so that does a multiply, but what if I did it twice? Like, so it was like, oops, make it like exponentially get darker or something. That makes it feel a lot darker. I don't know if I like brightness or how. It's too like shiny is the problem. I need a better gradient. What if I clamped it to a range or something like? So like, I like did several bands or something. Uniform or float bands. Let's say 5 bands, and then I do equals that, and then I do color equals it's, let's see, how does this go? It's times 3 times it, and then you round it, and then you divide it, right? Yeah, that gives you, pretty sure. Oh, okay, wait, this is, I do this here. And then I multiply it by the screen color. Where is this? Float to vector 3, what is this? That should be a vector 3. Okay, I think that's gonna look dumb. Yeah, that kind of looks stupid. Kind of looks like an eye actually now. What if I did less band? And I should make the center one solid color. I don't know, I don't like it. I think the gradient is better. I just need a better gradient. You can trick yourself into working on a game, opening your project each day. Just open the project. Interesting idea. Gets harder to move when you carry more. Nah, I don't think I'd do that because you only get a few guns and each one should feel like a special new upgrade. This is the sickest thing I bought with the money from Rot Flesh. I actually hired a personal stylist to teach me how to dress, and I bought some nice clothes. And that was it. Oh, I forgot to actually wear a cool outfit today, but oh well. So this is interesting, but the gradient was better, but that gradient is too shiny. Let's see, we have this one. How did I change this to be like 3 bands? 2. Oh, that's too dark. What if I do ceiling instead of round? Kind of interesting. Yeah, it does look more like a spotlight. Alright, we'll go back to the gradient. Let's get rid of the banding. I like how it makes it feel really dark when it's black like this. The gradient needs to be more intense though. Take something in raw. Wait, what do you mean? Oh, wait, what do you mean like I did with the needle? Yeah, this game is in the same world. I mean, the monsters you fight are the same as from the final area, or come from the same sort of source as the final area in Rot Flesh. There will be plenty of references. Wait, how did I do this before? There. If I do it again, is there a power function? I think there probably is. Oh, actually, that's pretty nice. It's just, it is very glowy in the center. Maybe I should change it so I can get like a value like how much of this is applied. Wait, would that actually control it? Okay, yeah, that does. Oh, but it is still very bright. Yeah, that doesn't feel as good. Let's make a different vignette. A vignette. I think I pronounced it like that. Somebody got annoyed. That was 1024. Do I really need that? I would just do a 500 by 500. Let's see, and we'll make a black, oops, black background, and then a gradient, radial, go to 250, 250. Oops, damn it. How did I mess that up? There. Okay, so that makes it brighter. So I could layer this actually. I could go like, okay, so there's one in the middle. That's the bright one. And I could have one go really far out. Maybe if I blur it. Yeah, let's see how that looks. Will I do another how much money I made video? I wasn't planning on it. I just don't think... I am allowed to. I've never seen anything saying you can't. I've done it before. It's just, I don't really see the point like anymore. Like the reason I did it originally, because I was making money from like stuff that a lot of people weren't doing, like courses and stuff like that. Oh, that, wow, that's really dark. Okay, I need to make that lighter. Yeah, that's like really dark. Oh, I can just change the shader to not multiply 3 times. Maybe remove all of them. No, it's better when it's darker though. Yeah, I've seen so many like YouTubers and stuff who like don't do courses and stuff, and I'm just like, it's so easy. Like, you just teach something you know, and then people give you money for it, and it's like, you don't have to put a huge amount of time in. It's a great way to like have some like extra income without doing much work. It just feels too dark now. I don't know. But maybe it's good. Maybe it's good this dark. I think I just got used to the shadows being really gray and light. Now it's like, well, I mean, this is like a space station that's being like Apocalypsed, sort of. I saw them all on Udemy. I haven't really been active on there in a long time since I don't need to be anymore. This is a spaceship where the power went out, so it makes sense that it's really dark. Yeah, I could live with this. Yeah. I dare somebody to compare this to Ape Out now. I dare you. Alright, let's record. I'm gonna do a quick screen record. Alright, and then I will... Okay, Gruset. I will post this on Twitter. Where did the video go? How does he not leave a trail of blood? Why would he leave a trail of blood? I'm gonna add some like coughs again. I gotta add that back in. But I mean, all his wounds are cauterized. That actually happens in the first intro of the game that I actually have added. I mean, it's bad. Wait, did I? We are. Damn. Damn. No, that's a painting. Painting is so cool. I already uploaded that. Alright, let's switch over to, that's not what I meant to open. Rot flesh. Like Twitter's compression destroy it. Actually, Twitter's compression kind of looks cool for lo-fi games. I should add some I could add some visual effects, like some noise and whatever. Yeah, that looks pretty cool. Very claustrophobic feeling. That's gonna be... I'll have to really design the levels well so you don't get lost. Wait, why is... Yeah, there we go, I can look. No. Let me pick... I swear I've done this before. Maybe Twitter just changes. There it is. There. I feel like I did that before. Maybe Twitter just picks up on it that you added a block, so it's like they change the element a little bit. so it doesn't get blocked anymore. Nice. Okay. Now we got to do level design. So I'm redoing this area sort of. I'll call this duplicate 2. Yeah. Okay. Actually, that could be the backup. I'll just leave this one here. Let's see what I want to delete. So I leave the city there. I can leave leave 1 sand. And I will delete that. East, south, west, and north. You'll get deleted. You'll get deleted. There we are. All right, so we got all the sand. Let's hide nav mesh. I don't need you. Visible NPCs. Let's see. Okay, we have the desert entrance. That's cool. Oh, I deleted that. Oops. I didn't want to delete that. No. Okay, so I want to leave. That should stay. That should stay. Okay. These sections get deleted. Delete you. Hide the nav mesh. Roads can. I guess I should keep. No, I have a reference to that, so I can just bring those back in. There. Oh, where? I need to keep this here. There we go. And there. Yes, I did see that Jonas Tyroller play this. Besides you and Heartbeast, most people are bad at teaching game dev fundamentals. I haven't watched game dev tutorials like seriously since like 2013, so I can't comment on that. I have no idea what like the quality of tutorials are for anyone. Okay, so let's see how this works. You come out here and then you enter this, and I need to show like greenery, and I want to have, I think I'll just have like an area here of like a large greenery area, right? Desert entrance. Let's do cliffs. Oops. Sand. Yeah, exactly, Thubby. I just skipped through it. Like when I need something, it's like, oh god, I gotta find it in a video. I can't find like an easy like comment or doc reference somewhere. I have to like look through a tutorial, and I'll just like try to skim it as fast as I can and get it over with. Oh, come. Give me the there. All right, so we're gonna do a large greenery area. So let's draw this out and have it go like I'm gonna do like a forest basin. Oh, we'll need 2, I guess. So this one will be make unique. Oh, come on. Switch. Come on, give me this one. This is the one I want. Where are you? Yeah, so the exit, I think I'll put it over here. And then this one go over like here. Yeah, so it'll look like this. Give it some more organic shapes. There we are. Okay. Not really sure what kind of rock formation this would be, but I'm just gonna say it's like, I don't know, something carved by water over millennia. Okay, so you enter into here, and there is sand. We need to add, this one can go over to here. Sand. Open those. Oh, that's not the sand I want. Sand, we need, yeah, these two. And then just fill it up. There we are. Okay. A lot of GameMaker tutorials. Zero regard for code style consisting or anything drives you mad. And you see result. How bad is he? Oh, the worst in variable names. Alright, to make mistakes at first. Yeah. Yeah, when I started out, my code was horrible. And then I studied computer science and I learned a lot better about how to structure things and name stuff. Yeah, I did Groovepunk. I studied computer science. The problem though with studying was that I ended up getting like, what's the word, like analysis paralysis or something. Like, I don't know. It's like I learned knowledge, but I didn't know how to apply it very well. And what do you mean is the sand reaching the bottom? It's in water here. So I would get stuck, just be like, I need to make my game function better or something. Like, I mean, have the perfect architecture before I start coding. Oh, from your perspective. Sand reaching the bottom wall. Oh, I see. Good catch. Okay. So I'd be like, I need to have everything on the perfect structure and the perfect software engineering architecture. But then what happened was I just never ended up programming because I had no idea how to make the perfect structure. And I was like, hang on, like before I knew all this stuff, I could like churn out games in no time with, even though I had horrible code and they were still playable and fun. So I was like, wait, this is dumb. I shouldn't be worried about this so much. I should just make games and not worry about the code, and then try to apply where I can what I've learned. I don't like this huge indent here because it makes it look like there's something over here you can explore. We'll leave it like this, maybe. Yeah, and then I can put some trees in here. I don't even think about code consistency that much. I'm just like, I think now about what can I do that's going to save me the most time, right? Like, because I've made so many games, I typically know like what's going to get done, what's going to Like, you know, do I need to make this modular? Probably not. I'm almost certainly never going to use it again, so I'll just do it a very cheap, hacky way. But it's like this other thing I know I'm for sure going to want to change down the road and add new stuff. So I'll, you know, yeah. If you find yourself duplicating code more than like 2 or 3 times, then like having the same code in multiple spots, then you want to do something modular. But if not, you can just duplicate it. It's fine. Doesn't matter. It's quicker in the long run. There's no point in making a modular if you're never going to use it. Oh, that's that one. I see. Do you want to be a AAA gamer or have a well-functioning game? Can't do both. How is C++ more related to database? What? Wait, what's this? You have right now, you get locked down for days. Just code. Like, just make it as bad as you can. Just try to make it terrible, and you'll get through it. Or make something really quick and try to do it with the most terrible spaghetti code you can. C++ more, wait. I did learn C++ for a while. SQL would be, or SQL is more database though. But I did learn C++. We started with Java and then we went to C++, or we went to C and then C++ and assembly. We had to make like our own assembly compiler. It was rough with the whole pipeline architecture, like simulator for, we had a processor simulator with pipeline architecture. That was, it's pretty cool. It was tough, but it was cool. And then I promptly forgot C++ because I never use it. It's just too much work. It's like, why would I use that when I could just like fire up an engine and use like, when I could just fire up Python and like get something that works in 5 minutes and is good enough. It's like, there's no point in learning how to do the most absolute efficient thing if you're not actually going to use it. Let's see. I could add in. Root clusters. There we are. Sure, it's just like, I'm pretty sure there is actually, somebody made a tool that lets you just like spawn a bunch of stuff on a surface. Not a multi-mesh, but like actual physical objects. I'm pretty sure someone was working on that, but I don't remember what it was. That would be very useful though. Just like populate an area with stuff. Alright, that looks pretty nice. So let's see, you'll enter. Oh, I should put a dirt hill, that's right. Put that like there maybe, because then you could like boost up and ski down maybe or something. And I want to put in a spore plant. You could like boost off of when you enter. There we go. Okay. So let me see how this looks. So you're going to enter. All right, so this is where you enter. And so it got lost. Have I ever extended the Godot editor in any way? I messed with it at a few points, and then I just never bothered to learn because I feel like I would just like run into random weird issues or something. I don't know. It was just like I would figure out ways to do things that didn't require it, and so I just never bothered to like learn again. Oops. Oh, where'd it go? There we go. Wait, can that take me to the over these cliffs? I need to oops. Lower the jump force on this. I think it almost can, so I'll have to lower the force on that. Alright, and then you come over here. So that introduces the new enemy, and then you come out here and it's like, ah, I'm in a giant forest. There's this thing. Whatever it is, there's another one of these plants. Sends you flying. I feel like the colors could be more visible, but it does stand out shape-wise, and against the sand it's very visible. Let's come over here. Here's this. Oh yeah, it doesn't have dialogue. Fuck. Whoops. Okay, I gotta reload that. Yeah, big update is what I've been working on. I'm trying to add a bunch of new content and stuff. It's been in development for a while. I mean, I did a bunch of small updates, but this is going to be like the main one. Let's see, 40 or 35. Let's see how that looks. What's up, Lady Malician? I think I built an add-on for something. The most I ever tried to extend the game. Man, characters look so small. Kind of funny. I don't know. The game world is just so huge that everything looks tiny. Okay, that's good. All right, so you come out here. Yeah, there's this thing right in front of you that you can't miss. And then you look around and there's like, oh, let's investigate the base. There's this on it. You'll be able to read it, and it'll say something about it being a broken signal station, and then that'll teach the player, okay, that's what a signal station looks like. Because as part of this area, the quest is to find several of those, and then you can kind of look around the area. That's where you came from. There's stuff over here. I can use this to get around. I'm gonna scatter a few more around, I guess. So you can like move around quicker. There's nothing over here. It's just nature, kind of show you what the new environment looks like. And then we'll go on to this next area. Yeah, I'm gonna have to scatter more of those plants around because it takes a while to walk around otherwise. Okay. So these are going to be used for mobility. Also rotate, something like that. All right, and then we're going to get to the next area where it's going to have some enemies. So what do I want to do for this? So let's make it compacted and like tight together. So I guess you'll enter, and then there'll be like, maybe it'll kind of like go out like this. And I don't know, I see it being like more thin. And it's going to kind of come out, and then there'll be like some stuff here, and then enemies in this area. All right. So you'll come through here, there'll be some enemies here, and then there'll be more like here. And so there'll be like stuff in the way. Maybe it should like kind of loop a little more like, oh, that one's flipped. I feel like it'd be better if it like looped around better. Maybe like that. So you run around and then there are enemies. But I don't want them to like surprise you. I want you to see them before they see you. So you come around and then they'll be like right here. And that's going to be the open spot. Yeah, so they'll be there. I messed with Trench Broom and Kudo. I've heard of it, but I haven't messed with it. I think I looked at it like a little bit and I was like, I don't want to learn a new tool. I already know the tools I'm working with. I don't want to, I already know how to make what I want with these. It's too much work. I'll learn something new right now. Okay, so you come over here and then it'll go around down this way. And then we can have like a larger, maybe arena thing. And then that, I think, is going to come out to here. That'll show you, lead you to the main area, or the city. I kind of want to like reveal that, I guess, as you run up. So it'll kind of come around here, and then it's at another cliff. Yeah, so you come around and then you'll get like, so you fight your way through here, kind of come over here, run around, and then it opens up and there's the city, and you come out and you see the whole city. Okay, that looks good. So let's fix up this. All right, and this part's kind of jagged. Can I make that? Yeah, that's fine. No click. How large is that? So this, whoops, damn it. What's up, Pat Futzy? So this area was like pretty large and took a while to get across. So this is only a small chunk of that. So that shouldn't be that bad. It should be good. All right, so add in some more sand. Oh, I should definitely do like a large sand-filled area. Or just like a large open area where you have to boost across with the spore plants. That would be cool. Okay, yeah. So let's see, if I dropped in another one of these over here. Okay, things covered. All right, so let's get the player over. Here's my player reference. Alright, so let's see how it feels to run through it. Okay, so I'm coming over here, I see this. Alright, here's the area where I go. Run through. Alright. Here, and then I run out and there's some enemies here that start shooting at me. I do a fight, and then I come over around here. Go over here. Yeah, these narrow walls feel a lot of fun. Come out here, there's more enemies. So I'll have a fight with several of them. And then I come out through here. Is it as laggy as it looks on my OBS preview? Because it's like super smooth in game, but I look at my OBS preview and it's really low frame rate. It must be an OBS issue. Alright, and then you come out here, look around, and then there's the city. You don't like this walk sound? Okay, you come out to the city, and here you are, you can walk up to it. Yeah, okay, I like that. That's cool. And you'll be able to... Whoops. I just bounced off. I need to stand exactly on top. Oh, it doesn't... Oh, it doesn't have enough boost power to send you high enough anymore. Maybe I could just modify the cliffs to be taller. So I don't have to worry about it sending you over. Wait, the water walk sound or the other? Oh, that does send you high enough. Okay. Okay, so that lets me see over. Yeah, I can kind of see over the cliffs then. That's cool. All right, so that feels good. All right, so let's put in some actual enemies and stuff. So I think this first area I'll have... Well, the player's already played and played against a regular enemy, so it shouldn't be that difficult to play through this, but let's do desert entrance. Yeah, desert, that's fine. Encounter 1, I'll just say encounter 1. So we'll have, we'll go over here. And we'll put in a couple soldiers, like 3 soldiers, let's say. And have some like gear and stuff set up. You can face the other way. And you will face the entrance. And you will have a shotgun. And let's set up some props. Let's do the wet walk sound. Make that ball a mushroom. Oh, that's a good idea. Yeah, like a, so it would make sense, I guess. But I already made it, and I don't want to make more art if I don't have to. If it's good enough, I'm going to leave it. All right, let's add in the tent. Let's add in a crate. And let's add, what is it called? Antenna or something. Where's the tent located? That's in structures, Oasis structures. Really? You can't search by path, that's dumb. Structures, here we are. Satellite dish, that's what it's called. So add in that. And add in a crate. That's not lootable. Oh, I already added that, right? Oh, we'll need to add a save point and a metal pole. I'm gonna add that. Alright, so get this out of the water, put it on top of these sandbanks. And maybe like flip it around or something. Or I could have it face in, that'd be fine. That would make more sense. Don't want that to float. It's really inspiring to see me work. That's cool. Glad. This is like, to me, the boring stuff. I'm like, why would people want to watch this? But yeah, I don't know. I guess there's not much stuff of like people just doing level design ever. I know there's time lapses on YouTube of people like putting together scenes and environments, but it's not like, it's more a focus on looks instead of like, you know, playability or something. Okay, so we got some crates, and let's put the satellite dish over here. And let's add in the save point right over here in like the center, so you should be able to see it. There, okay. There we go. So I kind of want to associate, I guess, tents and stuff with a save point, so it'll be easy for the player to see and like, okay, I want to save my game. Let's find some like enemies with tents. Okay, so we got that one. Now let's add in some more roots and stuff. Details. Here we are. Let's duplicate you. Not going to put a tree in this area. I think I'll just keep it small. Let's see. The next area will have the tree. So let's see. I'll put this here. Just want to make sure there's lots of like stuff to jump on and move around. And like use as cover. Something like that. Okay, yeah, that seems good. And then we'll get some of these. And put these around in here. See, that's the large one. That is the medium one. I guess this will provide maybe a little cover. It's mostly just like going to slow them down so they can't run straight at you. The pathfinding will make them like run a little more complicated route. There. And this one will block shots though, so you can use this as cover, and you could jump on top of it. So it adds a little more verticality to the environments. You should probably put them more close to large roots so they're easier to jump onto. So yeah. Then I might add a little bit of some of the small ones. Just as detail. I am using a nav mesh, yeah. It's a baked nav mesh. Okay, speaking of which, let's bake that and see how it looks when I run this scene. Navigation, bake. Oh great. Hopefully I can reset to the defaults. Let's see, make sure. Alright, bake. Is it gonna crash? I mean, this scene is much smaller than my last one was, so hopefully it'll... Okay. Okay, that worked. But will I be able to save the game? I am. Okay, cool. I guess because the scene's a lot smaller and less complicated than it was the other day, I'm able to actually do a decent nav mesh comparatively. Alright, so the player's there. Let's bring a couple guns over by the player. We can test out this fight. Yeah, I could use a script. It would be so nice to have some kind of like terrain tool where I just click and it spawns, you know, where I click. But I don't know how to do that. I don't want to learn it at this point. I'm already in full sunk cost fallacy mode. Okay. Nice blood green. Maybe it should be more covered. Yeah, that's fun. I like it. And I should put a loot chest there, not a save point. I forgot I had those. It does feel fun to skate around this. Let's see. Okay. Called Scatter by Xylan. Ooh, let me see what that is. Okay, promising. Oh, okay. How does this work? Help placing many scenes in an environment by painting over it rather than dragging and dropping them. Yeah, that's what I want. Copy the contents into the same folder and activate your plugin. Alright, let's give it a shot. C, Season 2 finale in the W. Great. C, Season 2 finale. What is C? I don't know what that is. Wait, how even? Oh, probably the shadow effect. Huh. That, yeah, I'm really happy with this effect. It looks really cool. I'm in for a treat. Budget of $30 million per episode? What the fuck? Why? Oh, they're Game of Thrones competitor, but it's sci-fi instead of... Oh, this! I saw an ad for this somewhere, or I saw some clips. Oh. It is hard to search, that's for sure. I mean, the name makes sense, but... That's pretty cool. Is it good? It lacks rich world-building character first vision. It lacks vision. Get it? It lacks vision. Get it? Get it? Throwaway fantasy escapism offers a diverting off-road. See, the joke is that the show's called See, and it's about people who can't see. And they're saying that it lacks vision. Is C inappropriate? Good story ruined by sexuality. Do not watch this with your teens if you value morality at all. The cursing and violence they may have become accustomed to. However, a woman pleasing herself while praying is completely inappropriate for any age child. Oh, there's some fuck. All right, how do I turn 63% on Rotten Tomatoes? Oh my god, hang on. What was the budget on this? $240 million. $15 million an episode. Jeez, so much money. Can I just have like 1 million? Like, what if they just gave? You didn't see that. No, I forgot what I was going to say. Alright, so I need to download this, but I also need to run to the bathroom. 1 second. Let's go into uprate stand mode. 90% of the budget is Jason Momoa. Same vibe as the map. Cool. Would have been cheaper to do an anime. Yeah, actually, you could have made like a sick anime with that. And get some actual voice actors instead of paying celebrities who are just famous actors instead of voice actors. Wait, how do I do this? Where'd that go? Yeah, it was a chewy bar. Oh, you can install it directly in the add-ons browser? I never use this. Okay, where do I do this? Scatter. Nice. Oh, that's awesome, dude. Okay. And then I Oh, whoops, I didn't mean to close that. I never remember how to do stuff through GitHub. It's always like such a pain. All right, so I just do that, and then I go to add plugins. And now it's not. What status enable? Oh, there it is. Enable. Okay. Wait, I thought that was enabled. Weird. Okay, and so now I do what? What now? All right, so have a scene with collisions in it. For example, ground terrain. Add a scatter 3D node or select one already present. Select scenes you wish to paint. There we are. Man, that's gonna save me so much time. Add. We'll have to do it by path. All right, let's do. Copy path. Can I do multiple? No. Oh, it's pretty easy to click through though. And let's do, what's next? Spore plant. What? No. Oh. Okay, I have to make sure I copy the folder path, not. What is this? What are all these errors? Valid get visible. What? Pattern margin is what? Okay, that worked. Can I undo? I can undo. Okay, that paints it. Nice. Okay, so it paints it down. Sure throws a lot of errors though. Okay, so that doesn't place by the bottom of it. I should probably change that so it's, yeah. Let's set it here. Collision and graphics and stem. Let's move it up like that. Actually, yeah. Is there any like settings? No. I can't like make it do random rotation or something. Nope, that's not what I wanted. Click this one. And it sure throws a lot of errors every time. Oh, can't right click. Wait, where did it just go? Oh. There we go. Ah, it's doing the tree instead of the thing I've selected. All right, I guess I just have to, and it sure is slow. Does it? It does randomly rotate on the Y. Okay, that's cool. That one did get placed. Okay, cool. Let's add some more things. Let's see, I want the tint. All right, what we're saying, you haven't used Godot before. How would you compare it to Unity or GameMaker? I've never used GameMaker. I did use Unity for 4 years, but that was like 5 years ago that I stopped using it. So I'm not really like up to date on their new stuff, but usability is awesome. That's the main thing. Is it just really quick and easy to make stuff? Yeah, that's not what I wanted. Not desert. This. Let's do crate. And Satellite dish and do a loot crate also. Let's see, we got, I mean, not the, yeah, the loot chest. So we got the crate, we got the tent, that's right. Did I get the tent? No, I didn't. There we are. Okay, that's everything. Now I need a loot chest. Oh, I probably should have made this a scene that has all the stuff I want. I mean, I can just duplicate it, I guess, but spatial. Oh, come on. It captures your mouse input, even on a right click. Oh, maybe right click is delete, that's why it's capturing it. Alright, so now I should be able to just paint stuff, right? So let's see what happens. So I'm like, alright, let's put a tree over here. And then let's put like some roots over here. Oh wow, that's so quick. Can I just do that? Will it draw a line? No, it won't. If I right click, it deleted the tree. Okay, I have to get up close and aim at it, I guess. Let's put one plant there. So you can like boost past or something. And then just to give some more mobility options, I guess I'll put one there. And you can put one here. And then I guess we'll drop in large, wait, not large, I want massive. I want to add lots of cover sort of towards the start, and then have a lot in the middle area. Yeah, I wonder why it lags so much on. It like takes a while to. Oh, interesting. Like takes a while to grab your input. Yeah, I'm wondering, is this gonna let me properly nav mesh through this? Let's see, we'll put some crates here. Oh, the crates are, yeah. Wish I could like, it would be nice if there was a setting that would let me like offset. But that's fine, I guess. Offset their height so they don't clip into the ground. Yeah, so handy to work with though. Thanks for, I forgot who suggested that, but that was really helpful. Appreciate it. Sand clipping into that. No, it's just a nav mesh. Alright, someone write the branch feature. Oh yeah, to let you specify an offset. That'd be nice. Yeah, thanks. Yeah, Gruset. Huge win, yeah. So this, I wanted to, I could have this face, yeah, that would look cooler. Have it face out. And then these crates, let's raise them up a bit. I'm not sure I care for that one. Can I place them on top? Alright, so it ignores anything that's a child, I guess. No, that's fine, I can work with that. All right, and okay, so that's the area laid out. So you run through here, and then you come over here, and it's like, okay, there's a bunch of cover, and then there should be some enemies in here. I'm going to do, let's do a beetle enemy. Say encounter 2 we'll have. And we drop in, let's do some soldiers. Oh, move you over. So let's see, we'll have a soldier here. I mean, it doesn't really matter where they are because they're going to immediately start running as soon as you show up. I have one here. I think this one should have a grenade launcher, and then you can kill him and take it. Like, immediately into the fight. You can kill him and take it and get the new grenade launcher. Or nah, I think I'll save that for later. Like, we'll introduce that in a later part, so you have to work with the base guns first. Let's do a pump action shotgun though on you. And let's put in a here. Oh, why don't I just do, I could do scatter for this also. Yeah, what am I doing? Scatter 3D, and let's do, oh, they all share. Okay. That's interesting. They share the same reference thing. Whatever, I'll just do this by hand. Alright, so the beetle will be here. And we'll bombard you as soon as stuff shows up. So we'll be here. I should probably add some code that checks if an enemy has a shotgun, they'll try to get closer to you. Right now they just kind of stay at range, but maybe that's for the better, I don't know. Okay, and then let's put one more over here with a shotgun. Oh wait, that's you. You already have a shotgun, I'll just duplicate you. Kind of guarding this entrance. Okay. There, there, there. Okay, and this chest should have the Oasis loot table. Here we are. Alright, let's try this out real quick. The main thing is I don't want to end up accidentally triggering that fight in the second area through the walls or something. Oh, I need to get some drugs. Hang on. Oh, is my aim assist off? That's on, alright. Let's see. Where is the player spawning? Nice footsteps. Sounds funny. Somebody else was just complaining about them. Reset your position to there. What? How did you get over there? Editor seems to really struggle with duplicating things. Noticed? Alright. Oh, I should probably put some more by the other thing, actually. Hang on. Oops. Oh, I just did. Here. What? Oh. I just misclicked. Okay, so put some over here. No, that's not what I want. Give me this one. There we go. And then over here. There we go. Alright, that was cool. And then that gives me access to this area. Some equipment. Nice. Alright, and it didn't trigger the fight. That's good. And there's some... Whoa! Oh, they shot the thing. That's funny. Oh, I like having those in the middle of the fight. That feels good. I don't know. I think the aim assist might be a little broken. Sure. Alright, yeah, that's kind of a tough fight actually, as it is. Maybe I should, let's see, where are we? Probably remove like 1 or 2 of those enemies would be good. 1. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 5. Well, I had 3 in the other. I think just that many should be good. And maybe a little more cover around it. Oh, I accidentally deleted that tree, that's why. It's like, huh, it felt empty over there. I was like, what's going on? Put a little over there. Yeah. And then, so you rotate it so you can get around behind it. You can also run under the legs, or the roots. Okay, there we go. Oh, also, I never rebaked the nav mesh. That's probably why they're running around awkwardly. And you don't even have to fight these. You can just run past. It's not like a requirement. I could put in like a gate of some sort. No, you're a kinematic body. It was actually kind of awkward setting up the impact force. It's just like a separate velocity tracker that gets applied to your own velocity. And if you move against it, it gets reduced, basically. And drag over time also affects it. Leapfrogging across explosive puffballs, secret area. Yeah, I like that idea. I could do that. I know I could do that. That would be cool. Aim assist with the mouse. It's basically aimbot. It just gives like, it pushes your mouse towards it. It can feel awkward if it's turned up higher, but that's why I have it low by default. Sorry. All right. Oh, it's getting late. I gotta go. I need to make something to eat. I'll be back Friday. Let's see. Open cards. Wait, what is this? Oh, fuck. I just realized it was in the wrong folder. That's still in no parasitic. Copy, I was like, what? What is all this stuff it's printing? Git bash. Wait, where am I? What are you saying? Add dot instead of add star? Paste. Oops. Alright, let's go find someone to raid. Oh, wait, not Twitter. Twitch. Wrong TWI. Game development. Let's see. Video game called Margot. Going outside in space. That looks cool.
Can be changed.
That looks interesting. Let's raid you.
Oh yeah.
All right. Let's see. We're at 2 seconds. All right. Cool. All right. Thanks, everyone. I'll see you all Friday.
Yeah.
Hopefully.
No, that's good.
Have a good day.